Yo, what is good, YouTube? So today we're going to be unboxing the Balenciaga Runners LED version. Now this is my literal first impression on these shoes. I haven't really seen many pictures with these or videos with these since they are pretty new. So I'm mostly going to be doing a first impression on these. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I do see the label in here. Okay, so I finally got it out of the box. Okay, so opening these up, this is my first impression on these. Oh, that is clean, guys. Look at these. Alright, so let's just take them out. And now here is the shoe right here. Damn, this is crazy. This is beautiful. Alright, so it's basically a typical Balenciaga runner, except it has a LED on the back. But this is my first all black Balenciaga runner, so I will be reviewing these like a normal review, of course. Alright, so let's just get started. So you could see the beautiful detail on this. It is very glossy, as you could see. You do have the typical Balenciaga runner type of styling. And you do have the white runner logo right here, as well as you do have the Balenciaga logo right here. Very glossy finish again. Moving on to the toe box. As you can see, it is size 41, which is in European size. This is a size 8 in US sizes. And keep in mind, I aim a size 9. However, I just feel like a size 8 is way more comfy on Balenciaga runners. I do have multiple in size 41 and 42, and the 41 is by far way more comfortable. So you can see the toe box. It does have Balenciaga again right here, and you do have the laces, of course. Again, over here you have the Balenciaga wording, as well as the Balenciaga logo on the tongue, of course. And then on the other side, you do have more of the glossy finish, and you could actually see here, you see the power button and the little magnetic charger. I did hear that this does come with a magnetic charger, unlike the Balenciaga Tracks, which did come in a like plug-in regular type of charger you would see. Moving on to the back, you do have the size again, as well as this little string to like put on your shoes easier, I guess. You do have the logo again and the wording. And then you have like these little like stripes that turn like white, I guess. Moving on to the bottom, you do have Balenciaga again. And you do have runner right here. And just really type of material. You could wear these for so long. Like this looks like an extremely durable material, I cannot lie. And you do have this hard plastic against all this rubber. But yeah, guys, let's just move on to the lighting of this shoe, because that is what me and probably you guys are most excited for. Okay, I just turned off the lights so we could see it better. But yeah, let's see it. So you press this button like I showed you guys earlier. And oh, okay. So you have red as the first color, just like the Tracks. You have blue again. You have green, this purple, this teal, yellow, white, flashing white, rainbow effect, and then another rainbow effect, and then another rainbow effect. And then it just turns off. Really cool. So yeah, they did come in the same type of LED like orientation or order, you could say. They did shine as like the same exact order. But yeah, really cool shoe. I'm surprised it took this long to make an LED runner shoe, but now that it's here, I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm about to be wearing this all summer, guys, because this is crazy. I forgot to mention, but on the inside you do have this wording that says contact your airline or railroad service before traveling. And you have that because This does have a battery inside the shoe, and you're not really supposed to bring batteries inside the airport. So they just say contact them before, because I guess having a light up shoe is kind of like not normal, I would say. Not really weird, because I love this Balenciaga shoe, but it's not normal. Not everyone has light up shoes as a grown man. So yeah. But yeah, guys, let's just move on to see what is inside the box. Alright, so opening the box up one more time. First of all, we do have this Balenciaga dust bag with the logo very tiny right here. Next up, it does come with a charger, which, taking it out, you could see the little magnetic thing. It looks just like this. And if you want to charge your shoe, you could see the hole, you could see this thing. You literally just put it on there and it magnetically attaches, which is really cool. Like, you see a really cool thing. You don't have to put a USB whatever in your shoe like the tracks. Next up, it does come in this Balenciaga card. So you could see, literally just comes with every single Balenciaga shoe. Nothing really special. And it does come with extra black laces. So yeah, guys, that is it for the shoe. If you guys did enjoy this review of these insane shoes right here, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.